brutally savage, unpredictable and violent. Being king's not easy. So much to lose. So much to hold on to. Maintaining order comes with a bloody price. Threats come from within the pride. But disobedience never goes unpunished. Competition is rising. Order must be restored across the land. Top of the food chain means at all cost. But there's more than one runner in this race. But there can be only one winner. Only one king.